So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a Toyota that we're going to be doing a little bit of rust repair on. If you can see right around here. Boom. We're going to grind it up, cut it out. I'm going to grind the surface up to see how far it is. I should need to really cut out, at least just on a surface level. And then once I get that piece cut out, I'll look underneath and hopefully it hasn't spread too far. Then I'll throw some rust preventative type stuff in underneath, and it kind of just goops on in there. And then we will be welding in a new panel that I'm going to have to make, which should be fun. So I'll throw some time lapses in there so you guys don't have to watch everything. I mean, you're watching the video, but anyways, yep. So I got it cut out. What's kind of crazy is there's like no rust underneath. It didn't penetrate at all. So I'll show you guys here. This guy right here looks pretty bad, right? Ta-da! That is so clean underneath. And even on this piece here, there's no rust, which is wild. So I'm going to now take this piece of metal and make it fit in there. So yeah. Alright, you guys, I got the new panel piece that I'm going to put in there cut out, bent into pretty good shape. This was a nice flat piece of metal, got her shaped up, some nice curves on it. She's going to go right there. And I'm going to weld her on up, and I'll bring you back. Alright, you guys, I got her all welded up. Just got to do a little bit of grinding and then some body work, and then we'll put her in primer and she'll be done.